Recall that permissible pairs were pairs where earlier we had patients with different outcomes, one get a 0, one get a 1, and we're going to extend this idea to survival data now. So here is an example of a permissible pair. So for this example, we have two patients with the same time to an event. Now earlier, remember when both patients were 1 or 1 in the binary setup or 0 and 0, we said that was not a permissible pair. But this does not hold true when extended to survival data. If we have two time to events with the same time, we still consider it a permissible pair when we're looking at survival data. Let's look at the following example. So now we have our first censored observation, and this is 40 plus. So we know that until 40, this patient did not have an event, but they had one after. And so now, can we really make a comparison between who had the worst outcome here? Turns out we can, because let's think about what's happening here. We have patient A and patient B, and let's call this patient A, let's call this patient B, and let's say we were drawing a timeline of what was happening to the patients, and let's say this extended up to 20, and then this extended up to 40, and then it was censored, and I'm going to denote censored by an empty circle over here. And notice that patient A clearly had the worst outcome because B outlived A. Even though we didn't see when they had an event, if they had an event at all, we know that their outcome was certainly better. Now compare that to the following. Now we have, once again, patient A and patient B, but patient A is the one who's censored with a censoring time of 20 plus. So drawing the same again, we have a censoring here, and we have an event at 40. We have censoring here, and we have an event at 40. So now for A, we don't know whether they lived to beyond 40 or before 40, so we're not able to make this comparison. Here we have two patients who both have censored times, and again, we're not able to make this comparison of who has the worst outcome because that could be either one of the patients. It doesn't matter even if they have the same censoring time, we're still not able to make this comparison.